an Italian salad made out of stale bread. Do not worry, because this is not a salad that involves a lot of exotic ingredients just because it's Italian. This is made with nothing but a day-old stale bread. So let's get cooking. For the bread salad we need 4 cups of stale bread or any bread that you have at home, cut into big sizes, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, salted, 1 cucumber, 1 medium-sized onion sliced long, a bunch of coriander leaves. I have taken a cup of paneer which I have roasted. I have taken 2 cloves of garlic chopped and a teaspoon of oregano, and I have taken 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil. I have some pepper and some red wine vinegar which you can substitute with lemon juice. For this rustic bread salad we need some stale bread, as I told you before, and this we're going to be toasting in the oven. If you don't have an oven, or if you don't want to do it on the oven, you can totally toast this on a tawa with little olive oil and toast it for about 10-15 minutes until they are completely crusty and brown. But do not make them very hard. We just need a slight crust on them. To this I'm adding about a tablespoon of olive oil. And this is going to go in the oven for about 10 minutes. While the bread is getting toasted in the oven, let me get to the dressing of the salad, which is not very difficult. I have marinated my tomatoes in plain salt so that I get the juice out of it. So the water has started oozing out, and this has been marinating for about half an hour. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to drain out the tomato juice, and whatever little juice I get is going to help me make the dressing of this salad. So tomato goes back into the bowl. I have about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of tomato juice in this. I'm going to make the dressing first. So to that I'm going to add 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Now don't worry if you do not have the red wine vinegar. You can substitute this with lemon juice as well. To this I'm adding 2 cloves of chopped garlic, a teaspoon of oregano, dried oregano, or if you have basic Italian herbs, that would also do. I'm adding about half a teaspoon of salt because the tomatoes are already salty, and I'm adding half a teaspoon of fresh black pepper. I have finished toasting my bread, and it's nice and crispy, but it's still soft inside and it's not completely brown. So that's how you want it, because if it becomes very crispy, it's not going to soak up all the dressing that you've made. So let's start adding all the other ingredients. Now to this, let me start by adding my tomatoes. I have taken coriander because I don't have basil in my kitchen. You can totally add basil if you want. The onion, the cucumber, the paneer, and the bread. And that's it. Just give it a rough mix so that the dressing meets the bread meets the dressing. The good thing about this salad is that you can make this a day ahead, and you don't need to make it fresh. You can even make it 2 hours, 3 hours before you serve this, because you need the salad to sit in the juices. Well, this can be made with everything that you have at home, onions, tomatoes and breads, and that's it.